So came to the retro sect car meet today on Sunday. Nice turnout. There's just some of them, and someone bought a nice Mercedes along. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, so lots of nice cars. My friend Lyndon came along with his Mustang, looking the part. And lots of other goodies as well. Mitsubishi, Ferrari. There's my friend Mervin's Escort. He's busy bee with that. In case you're wondering where this is, if you can hear me, because it's a bit windy. This is in Tewkesbury. So if you look them up on the internet, this is their shop. They sell all sorts of retro computer games and other accessories from the 80s and 90s. There's the shop entrance. Ganaway Lane is where it is. You can get a cup of coffee and a roll. There's Lyndon. Yeah, so there's a nice turnout today. Full house, I think it was. Despite the dreadful weather, has been tipping it down. There we are. So if you look them up on the internet for the next meet, you bring your car along. Take it easy, all.